Okay, so this is another hack we've got underway. So this is we've got direction. That's currently going through the FM band. The pulse is being controlled just by a square wave generator. And so we've got this toggle switch hooked up to that, so you can flip direction. Also got band, so you can go to AM. Or you can flip the direction. So you can adjust the rate. And then we've got airband frequency as well, giving you another twist on the wave box.